Hello people, welcome to my channel Authentic Reviewers. I am Ajit and I would be telling you about a awesome product called Combook, which is a make of Eyeball. And I was thinking of reviewing this product for the past few months, but finally I got some time as I have a new channel once again. In the next few minutes I'll be telling you all the features of this product, and it is highly recommended that you should buy this product given the price range which it is operating in. Let's get to the video. I'm going to talk about a much amazing product called Combook. This is by Eyeball. It is called as Combook i360, and I've used this product for the past 2 years very extensively. Now I'm going to talk about all the features, all the pros and cons. Let's start with the processor. It comes with an inbuilt Intel Atom processor, which is an old processor. Yeah, as you know, there are very few products which are available in the market which are using Atom processor till now. It comes with a speed of 1.92 gigahertz, which is a generic speed. If you want to talk about normal laptop speed, it is like that only. You will not find any kind of glitch while processing. Multitasking is okay. You can run heavy softwares also, technical computer softwares. You can browse as many tabs at a time as you want. You will not find any kind of problem when it comes to a normal operation of a laptop, and extensive use as a tablet. You will not find any kind of glitches at all when it comes to processor. It is highly recommended. I too thought when I bought this, I too thought that it is a Atom processor. It would not be able to give me my requirements actually, but it is for normal operations. It is absolutely fine. I don't find any kind of problem. So now I will talk about the operating system, that is OS. It comes with an inbuilt Windows 10, and Windows 10 is one of an amazing OS to work on. So OS is good. Memory, as far as before memory and storage, I would like to tell you about the hardware, what exactly it is, what Combook is. Combook i360 is. See, Combook i360 is a product which gives you in one product you will have dual functionality, as a laptop or as a tablet. So the hardware is designed such that you can use it as a laptop when you want, you can use it as a tablet when you want, you can use it as a tent stand as you want. You can basically there are two major functionalities you can use. First is like a tablet, second is as a laptop, as I said earlier. But there are two other features, because the design is so foldable that you can use it as a tent also, you can use it as a stand also. But once again, at the end of the day, you have to use the keyboard when you want to talk to the screen, or you have to use the touch screen to talk to the whole system. So either as a tablet or as a keyboard in one Combook. Okay, so that sounds amazing. And the price range of this product is only around 13,000. I'm telling you, this amazing and best when you are looking for something of a tablet or a laptop in this price range. Let's talk about the memory and storage. Memory and storage is like it comes with 2 GB DDR3 RAM, and which is amazing when it comes to computing. It is absolutely fine. You will not find any kind of problem with that. As far as the inbuilt memory is concerned, it comes with 32 GB inbuilt memory. 32 GB and 2 GB RAM is an awesome combination. You will not find any kind of glitch, any kind of problem. But if you are using it more as a laptop, then you will have to expand your memories. Then you can expand it up to 128 GB, and 2 GB RAM is considerable, and it works very fine. So no problem at all. As far as memory and storage is concerned, it is a completely go. It is highly recommended. Design and display is HD. When you are using it as a laptop, display is absolutely fine. You will not find any kind of problem when it comes to display. When you are using it as a tablet, you have a touchpad with multi-touch functionality. It is a full capacitive touch screen is there, so you will not find even any problem with that also. You can use it as a tablet very fine, no problem at all. So design and display is highly recommended, no problem at all. As far as the battery is one of the best feature which this Combook has. Backup is awesome. Once charged, it will give you a backup of around 4 or 5 hours, 5-6 hours actually, not less than that. Even if it shows even 8 hours also. So don't worry about the battery life. Battery is awesome. It is 10,000 milliampere hours. It is awesome. The huge turnoff for this device, for this comeback, is only one. If you are thinking about camera, it is only 0.3 megapixel. It will not give you what you are looking for, to be very frank with you. You can video chat, but that too the quality will be very poor. Actually, it is the quality is very poor, but you can video chat. To be very frank, you can do video chat, you can do video call, but don't expect anything other than that. Okay, so that is the scene of camera. Speakers, as far as the speakers are concerned, speakers are awesome. Speakers are absolutely fine. I have even used attached extra speakers and woofers. It worked very fine, working even in the operating scenario. It is absolutely fine. I didn't find any kind of problem with this. As far as the connectivity is concerned, this Combook comes with all the connecting options which a normal tablet or a laptop comes with. So you can connect via Wi-Fi, you can connect via Bluetooth, we can connect via even mini HDMI is there, which is once again a huge plus when it comes to getting from anything in this price range. It's awesome. Mini HDMI is there. It comes with two USB ports. One is USB 2.0, one is USB 3.0. And you want to use camera extensively, then you can connect your USB 3.0 camera with this device. You will not have any problem with this. As far as the weight is concerned, it is slightly heavier when it comes to an average tablet weight, and slightly lesser weight wise when it comes to a laptop. So it's in the mid actually. It is slightly heavier than the tablet and lighter than the laptop. So it's a best option you have got. I have used Samsung tablet also. I didn't find any problem when it comes to weight actually. You can use it easily. There's no problem with the touch. Smooth and multitasking performance is absolutely, I already told you, multitasking is awesome. You will not find any kind of problem with that. Battery backup, as I already told you, it is the longest battery backup you can find for this kind of device actually in the market. This is the best you got in the market. As I told you, the design is flip and fold design is there. They are calling it, the eyeballs are calling it as flip and fold design, which is absolutely a flip and fold design. You can use it as a laptop when you want to. You can use it as a tablet when you want to. You can use it as a tent, one of the design feature, and you can use it as a stand also. So it is all up to you. This is the best 360-degree flip and fold design which I have seen till now. As I told you, looking at the price range and the features which it is providing, from the working wise, functionality wise, and computing wise, it is absolutely perfect device. The price is only 13,000. Getting in 13,000 you are getting so much. I would highly recommend this. And what else I would tell you about this? I've already told you all the features. So next time, whenever if you like this product, there is a link available. So don't wait. If you are looking for such kind of a device which has the features of a laptop and a tablet in one, go for it. And if you don't have that much budget, you can go for this. Even if you have budget, I would recommend, if you want to experience both tablet and a laptop in one device, you go for this device. Okay, I would highly recommend this. In addition, if you have any questions you would like to ask, if you would like to know more about any features which has been missed, you can ask in the comment section below. And if you want to buy this product from Amazon.com, then the links are provided below. Go through the links and buy it from there. And and I'm open to any questions, any kind of thing which have been missed. You can ask me and I'll reply, and I'll make sure I'll reply all the questions. And thanks for listening, and you are welcome. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification about new videos. And let me know if what kind of product you would like to, you are looking to buy, and I will try to give the reviews on that. Keep visiting us, and stay tuned for more in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.